Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel guys. So guys, I'm discuss very important topic here. How we can promote your YouTube channel with a cursable post. Nothing but we have to promote your channel with the multiple images. Like what are the image you can promote it and what are your channel purpose. These all will be promoting on your particular channel option. So that is called how we can post the content to the Facebook page, how we can getting for users based on your images. First of all, people can understanding users on your particular channel. What is the purpose of your channel? First of all, any channel will be promoting purpose. You have to image will be designed. 500 by 500 image will be designed. The design will be help to generating for YouTube subscribers and views. That image will be very exclusive. So without multimedia, previous we can using option name is multimedia. So what is a multimedia option? How we can happening? So that is a we can discuss today option. So guys, watch video completely. You can any questions about any kind of things. Anybody your comment section on the in your my YouTube channel. I mean anything will be missing. Please recommend me. I definitely will be support your particular choice. So guys, now I can discuss about that option. First copy the URL will be like this. After channel URL, question mark sub underscore one. After this one, we can go to your YouTube, will be coming to the Facebook page. Here we can't use any kind of post. That is a portion will be selecting option name is called Facebook Creator Studio option. In this Facebook Creator Studio, you have to selecting your Facebook page option. Now I'm selecting for Facebook page. Now selecting page, just copy the YouTube URL. After this one, so they're showing my image. Here they call setting and edit destination URL. Just click here. Now click for confirm. After that, they asking for upload multiple images. So what are the channel my image? My logo will be visible. So why we can adding for question mark confirmation is equal one. That is mean by you are first time visit my channel. They get coming from like this. Subscribe my channel. That is the reason we can using for this option. So this option after your ID, the ID will be 21 digit. Question mark confirmation is equal to 1. So that is a sub underscore confirmation is equal to 1 option. That is called after that you will be select image will be image size always you selecting by 500 by 500 design. Don't forget the design will be 500 by 500 that compulsory select. Finally, what are your primary image we can remove on this? What is your primary image we can remove on this? This will be promote our images will be multi content option. Select here and option will be here and click for share now. Previous this option will be using multimedia option. Now not require any multimedia position. Directly will be image sharing link. After that destination will be click. After this one we can change your images with the 500 by 500 images. Follow these guidelines. You can promote your channel any post with a multiple image option. That mean by people can understand your channel or your website with multiple image options. That will be very helpful on the particular promote your business or YouTube channel or any option will be success will be given by Facebook option. First of all, what is your content on your channel? How is helping the public? That all will be helping the your particular post you design on your Facebook page. There is a cursor post will be given. Previous using multimedia. Now is a direct they give the option. No need to worry to add the particular casual post with multimedia option. Now is a creating without multimedia option. Follow this condition and post it. Promote your channel to subscribe your channels to people can know based on the post. Your poster will be guru on your particular channel to understanding the users. Follow this condition and increase your post reach and increase your subscriber by using Facebook page option. That option name is called cursor post. This is a new method will be given from the Digital Rakesh channel. Who are not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment our channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.